Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to make this quick video so that everyone knows how to access and use the Writing Center, which you will need for my class. So I'm here at the APU homepage, guys. What you want to do is go to Current Students, scroll down to Writing Center. Yay! Bunch of happy people getting ready to turn their papers in. Let's hope that's how it is. So, guys, if you need to get in touch with anyone at the Writing Center, all the information is here. You can call, you can email, and the whole point, of course, for us is to make an appointment. I'm not sure that they have any in-person options anymore. I believe that that is not an option, in fact. But as far as making an appointment, guys, and then attending an appointment, let's start with make an appointment. So, be aware, guys, that even if you have used the online version of the Writing Center before, effective July 13th, they're going to possibly make you update your registration, which means that you should sign in here with your APU password and email. If that is not working, you then may need to click register for an account and fill some things out. So let's just see what that looks like. So APU email address, telephone number, etc., all this basic information, guys. Create a password, and then you click these different options if you want to be reminded, or if you want to be on mass mailings, if you want to be texted to be reminded of your appointment, and then of course click I'm not a robot. And then that should take care of registering for a new account if that happens to be the situation you're in. If for some reason you have any other issues, don't contact me because I won't be able to necessarily fix it, but I would contact IMT immediately and say, hey, listen, this needs to be fixed. So I encourage you guys to just check this out since we're all learning together how this is going to work. So we've got online only appointments. This is all information for summer, but I'm imagining it will also be effective for fall. And you would click online and regional campuses. Hopefully that is going to also take us to fall as it is appropriate. So if you are doing doctoral work, which I don't know applies to anyone, if it does, then you actually can select doctoral students only and then get a slightly different pate of people to work with. But do be aware of the restrictions on appointments. Walk-in is canceled indefinitely. Again, if you guys have issues, just write or call the Writing Center. And again, just go back a page for that. So this is their number, this is their email. So just check that out, guys. Make sure that you're set up for your online Writing Center appointments, and then you can choose something that'll work for you. And then when all you have to do after doing that, guys, is just attach the comments at the end of whatever the assignment is, and that's how I'll read them and know that you went. Okay? Hope this was helpful. Talk to you soon.